Hi everyone, this is Heather Loshinen from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 253, and I really quickly set up this ring light, and I just wanted to give you my first impressions. So obviously I have the clear diffuser, the opaque diffuser here. I have the gel diffuser here, and then I don't have a diffuser on up here. And I have my cute little Fuji X100F mounted inside of the ring light. So I just wanted to turn this on and show you what it looks like. Anyway, first impressions are very favorable, which is exciting. All right, there's a knob. Okay, here we go. Here it is on its lowest setting. Let me turn that at a little bit of an angle. Lowest setting. Sorry, wrong way. Maybe I should just put my head in the center here. This looks kind of fun. Okay, this is the lowest setting. And it's gonna mess with the exposure on the phone, of course. And here we go all the way up to the brightest. Oh, you can't even see me because of this very bright light. It is very bright. Look at this. I like lights. That's awesome. I like lights that have a dimmer. Clearly, that gives you more flexibility when you're using it. I just wanted to put these different diffusers on so that you could see what this looks like. And then again, you can do it without a diffuser if you would like. I think primarily, I'm probably going to be using this diffuser. I like that it's daylight balanced, so it gives a nice kind of cool daylight temperature, which would match what I'm going for. This might be a little bit too warm. I'm not sure. Yeah, Charlie, look at this. It goes pretty bright because look at the exposure on the phone change. That's pretty nice, huh? I don't have a lot of time to play with it right now because I got to get on the road. I'm headed out to YM. It's Fuji Day. Groundhog cookies. Hopefully I'll see you there. Okay, if not, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.